Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Candida Schwartz. I am a naturopathic doctor as well as an intuitive healer. So for today, I am going to talk about stone therapy. This is one of my favorite therapies. I'm not a very grounded person, and I'm sure you can tell in my videos. It's something that I have to work on. And many years ago, when I was in medical school, I found that jewelry, like stone healing, stone therapy, was very, very helpful in keeping me grounded. There were lots of really great benefits from the stone that I could intuit, as well as I got really into it and started learning how to tease out the therapeutic properties of each stone. So I do have an Etsy therapy jewelry line. So the link is below. It's called Vital Therapy Jewelry. And why are stones and crystals, why are they healing? I mean, we've heard about it. I'm sure you've heard about it, right? If you're on my channel. But why are they so healing? Well, they're from the earth, and the earth is very healing. I mean, look up earthing, look up just, grounding meditations and all of the benefits that you get from them. They are stones. And if you go with the different colors and the different therapies, you will find that each stone kind of lends to a specific part of your body that can help with healing holistically, body, mind, spirit, right? And so I just love it. So I just wanted to share, and I'm just going to model and talk about some of the therapeutic benefits of the different pieces that I've made recently. This is sunstone and moonstone. So sunstone is great for bringing in that positive light of the sun. It's playful, it's childlike, it just makes you happy, right? So it's great for depression and anxiety, right? And then the moonstone is also really beautiful light, but it's that light of the shadow, right? It's that light of the divine feminine that we connect within ourselves to help us guide, to help us navigate, to help us understand how to process some of our internal emotions, our stress, our trauma, our fears, our worries. So there's a lot of light over the heart, which is so great, right? And then I have some sweet little moonstone earrings. And then I also have some really great green quartz. Green quartz, great for the heart, right? Because of that green color. Quartz in general is good for wisdom. It's good for clarity. It connects you to your higher self, to spirit, God, divine. So there's always that with every quartz. They're a master stone, they're a master healer. That stone is a master healer. And so the green aspect brings clarity to the heart. It can really bring buoyancy. It can really bring in a clear purpose on what your heart wants, kind of like using that clarity to look through, to tease out and figure out what your heart really wants. Great stone for good luck. I mean, it's just really great. These are tangerine or sunfire quartz. And this is a great stone because it, again, has all those beautiful quartz properties, but it's got this sweet kind of little bit of pink, but mostly orange. So this is great for creativity and passion and bringing in some fire, all that sacral chakra stuff, right? So there's so much passion in this stone. There's so much heat in this stone. This is also a really great stone if you're struggling with chaotic situations, because it can uplift your perspective. It can bring in positive energy into like how you're dealing with everything, right? Like how you're dealing with the situation that you're in. And there's so much stress in general, but lately, ooh, lots of stress. Okay, so this is a front clasping rhodochrosite, perfect for the empath. This is the stone for the compassionate heart. Now, these are front clasps. Front clasping is all the rage right now. It's very fashionable. It's very in. It's very clean. It just looks really attractive. It's really easy to wear. The rhodochrosite has these beautiful pink striations. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to model a few of my pieces. Okay, and so this is tourmalated quartz. So again, you've got all that beautiful energy from the quartz, but then you've got black tourmaline. Tourmalines are always great for times of transition. The black specifically is incredibly grounding. It's very protective. It's very detoxifying. Then we have these really fun, flirty, playful fire agate, yellow fire agates. Fire agates just, shoop, they really just reset the chakra that they're associated to. This would be the solar plexus. Purpose, will, determination, healthy boundaries, good digestion, right? And then we've got these really great tiger's eye. Tiger's eye are so good for good luck. They bring in a lot of prosperity, a lot of abundance. Here is another tourmaline. This is a pink or a rose tourmaline. Again, great for transition. This one is more about the heart. It's more about love, self-love, self-care. Rutilated quartz. These are so sweet. They have beautiful little feathers or leaves on the bottom. The rutilated quartz, you can't really see it, sadly, in this light, but they've got little heavenly gold threads of love and light. And then I've got this really sweet angelite and malachite. This calls in the communication with the angels, the protection from the angels. Here we have apatite and iolite. No, I'm sorry, apatite and moonstone. Very sweet, beautiful little piece. And the blue apatite is great for actually appetite control, but it also brings in such great communication, really good communication. I can't say it in any other way. Really allows you to speak your mind, really allows you to speak clearly, to be heard, to ask to be heard, to be kind with your words. And again, helps you with, what you're putting down your throat, right? Things that you might be addicted to, things that you might not, you might not tolerate. It can help you make better choices for yourself. So those are just a few of my pieces. Head on over to my Etsy site. You can see better pictures of everything. And like, subscribe, share, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you again soon. I'm just gonna keep on showing you these pieces. All right, have a great day.